witnessing unfortunate statements from many political leaders in this country. All these leaders are in a process to gain certain votes from few section of people. They're making statement which will ultimately divide the country in ways which we cannot even imagine. For example, when parties talk about Sanatan Dharam, when parties talk about calling certain Hindi Patti states Gaumutra states, or when they talk about disrespecting the labor or not insulting the labor who work or clean toilets, etc., these statements should not be taken slightly. If Congress party, which is a major party of the alliance, and if Rahul Gandhi, who talks about Jodo Yatra, who talks about uniting the nation, if he has taken these statements seriously in the very beginning, when Sanatan Dharam was insulted, hurting many crores of people and their sentiments across India, Mr. Rahul Gandhi never reacted. If he would have reacted then, so then they would not have made these statements. So a party which is a part of the major alliance is making statements, and the alliance head, or Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who is heading the whole thing, is not saying anything. He is answerable to the people of this nation. I call him Election Gandhi because he only works during election. I want to request Rahulji that Rahulji, MP election is closer, Lok Sabha election is coming up. Why don't you start answering the people at least now? You should tell the people that you are not disrespectful of Hindus. You should tell the people that you are not disrespecting the labor. You should tell the people that inside the parliament anybody cannot stand up and insult a bunch of states together with derogatory remarks. And when they are making these remarks, you as a party, you as a leader, should not only do PR with your Jodo Yatra, but you should really stand up for what you say. This is the time you should stand up, make statement, and clear it out to the nation that you are not against Hindus, you are not against the dignity of labor, and you are not against the Hindi-speaking states.
कल क्लेरिफिकेशन आया मुख्यमंत्री की तरफ से कि नहीं हटाएगा 7 मंथ।
देखिए, हम लगातार ये कहते आ रहे थे कि कांग्रेस पार्टी इलेक्शन के समय में कुछ भी बोलती है, लेकिन इलेक्शन खत्म होते ही वो सारे वादे भूल जाते हैं। कर्नाटका में भी उन्होंने यही किया कि 6 गारंटी दे रहे हैं, ये है वो है, और उस पर कोई अमलावरी अभी तक ढंग से हुआ नहीं है। दूसरी बात, हिजाब पे बैन हटाने की बात, स्पेशली इन द एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, वो कह रहे थे, लेकिन अभी उसके ऊपर भी वो आगे पीछे हो रहे हैं। ये तो कांग्रेस पार्टी के डीएनए है, जो बोलते हैं वो करते नहीं है। अब देश की जनता को डिसाइड करना है कि हमें कांग्रेस पार्टी का साथ देना है, नहीं देना है।